Hey, it's Mark Weiss. Have you intentionally or inadvertently let someone else use your medical license? Let's talk about it. I saw a press release from the Department of Justice, the U.S. Attorney's Office, concerning the admission by a physician, John Paul Dadadian, that he, in this case, intentionally allowed some individuals who control one or more drug wholesalers to use his medical license, and that he used his medical license himself along with them in connection with a scheme that permitted the drug wholesalers to acquire certain types of drugs, oncology drugs among others, that they normally wouldn't have been able to purchase, and to purchase those drugs at a physician sort of user reduced price. In essence, the wholesalers were able to purchase at a lower price than they would normally be able to purchase drugs, oncology drugs, for example, that a physician is acquiring for his or her own use in connection with treatment of patients, in connection with his or her medical practice. The doctor hasn't been sentenced yet. I'm not sure exactly how many years he'll go to jail, or maybe he'll get probation, who knows, because the press release was eerily silent about who the other individuals involved in this scheme are. So one might suppose, although I have no actual knowledge, that the doctor is cooperating and therefore will receive a reduced sentence. It is probably unlikely that you participate in a scam like that. But I have seen many times in my practice situations in which physicians' licenses, and sometimes their entire identity, is used by less than reputable folks in a variety of ways, whether it involves prescribing drugs, whether it involves the creation and filing of claims for services that didn't exist in connection with patients that didn't exist, and so on. You need to be obviously incredibly aware of not yourself participating in a scam, but equally, you need to be extremely aware of not inadvertently permitting someone that you think is a regular business person, say somebody who's managing your practice. You need to be careful of what they're doing in connection with your identity. Because at the end of the day, not only are there potential claims of negligence against you for whatever in heck these treatments were, claims relating to the fact that billing was done under your name, purportedly by you. This can result in civil liability, criminal liability, and loss of your license. Guard your license like it's gold, because, well, it is.